The deep squat is a great position to be able to get your body into, to open up the hips, to maintain a nice upright chest, and to be able to sit in this position, the sign of good ankle mobility, good hip mobility, and spinal extension, control. So we want to work towards being able to sit comfortably in this position. If we can't do that immediately, then we can start working towards that by holding on to a surface or a wall for support. So imagine I've got a chair or a sofa here. I'm going to use this pole as an example. So I'm just looking for support from anything that can help me get into this deep squat position. And we're just going to sit in this position. You can use your elbows as well to help open up the hips, to push into that abduction. So elbows push the knees apart. And we're just going to sit here. We want to start building up the time that we can sit in this position. 30 seconds would be a good start once you can actually get down into this position over time, and then building up to 1 to 2 minutes